Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I did with the mini celebration die. This is the larger banner and I made a custom title, and I want to walk you through how quickly and easy it is. So I'm just using the Daffodil Delight cardstock and the large banner. I'm running it through the die cut machine. You need 8 of those to do the custom title for this particular sketch. And then I'm just lining those up, and now I'm taking what I call the banner holder, running it through. You need 2 of those. And then I'm just setting those off to the side once I get them cut. And now I'm going to use the mini alphabet, and I'm using the adhesive sheets. These are a game changer, you guys, for perfect placement and also allowing those to just stick so easily. So I'm taking the backing off the adhesive sheets. They're super sticky, but I love that they're not messy at all. I'm lining up the mini alphabet, but I'm realizing that it's too big for the mini die cut machine, so I'm going to trim off about 1 inch off of the longer side, and I'll use that scrap for later. So now that I have it, make sure that you put the adhesive sheet down first. That's critical. And then the dark cardstock is facing you. Lay the die on it, run it through the die cutting machine. And I love how you can see the backing on it, which makes it so easy to just punch those out. I'm going to turn them over, and I'm going to use the take your pick tool to get that adhesive backing off on them. It works so easily. If you don't have this take your pick tool, get it. It is so affordable and so necessary when you're creating custom titles. So I'm just quickly removing the backing, and then I'm attaching them to the banners, and having those adhesive sheets just makes this process so much faster and easier. And then if you find that as you're building your title that you've run out of a letter, it's so easy to go back with a scrap of cardstock with the adhesive sheet on it, and you can run it right through your machine again. So I realized that I needed another N. So I'm showing you how to run this through, but I did it the wrong way. I used that scrap and I put it facing down, and it should have been facing up with the adhesive sheet. So as I ran it through, you'll see my mistake. So learn from me. This is why I do these videos, so that I can teach you guys my mistakes so you don't make the same one. So see how the adhesive is not on the right side, but it's okay because I found my missing N right there, and all is not lost, but you can learn that tip from me. And now I've got everything lined up, and I've got my title holders, and I'm lining them up onto my base of my scrapbook layout, getting it where I want it, and then I'm going to use some liquid glue to attach those. And then I'm using the mini dimensionals for my title so that they are raised and popped, which again, that take your pick tool is a game changer for putting these mini dots onto your project. And you're just pushing and lifting on the carrier shade of the mini dots. So do you see how easy that is? Oh my gosh, I love learning these little tips and tricks and sharing them with all of you. So once you have your title lined up exactly where you want it on your scrapbook layout, you can then attach those banner placement holders and then remove the backing of those dimensionals. But I did this so that you could see this is my process for lining things up so I get them exactly where I want them. And voila, you have a fabulous custom title. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Drop your comments down below.